Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to another video of Airdrop Hype. So today we'll be talking about another airdrop as a testnet. So you can see we're already on the X page of the testnet. You can see it's called Hetu, right? Hetu protocol. So today we're talking about Hetu protocols, and you can see Hetu protocol is an intersubjective consensus centralizing AI for science, reshaping wealth for people. As you can see, you can also go through their X page and see how they've been. So without further ado, let's get into the airdrop. So now let's wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. So it's loading. Note this: you have to use a VPN to access it. Without VPN, you can't access it. So you can access my VPN. I'm using this right VPN. So now we sign up on it. You just have to sign up using our Google. So you now input your email. You input your email. As you can see, it's in my own email. So you just have to input the email because you're receiving a code, an OTP code on the email. Then after that, you check I have read the file policy and I have just have to check policy and then continue. So after that, you click continue and to take you to this place whereby you have to verify your email. It will ask you to verify your email by sending an OTP code to your email. As you can see, I have received my OTP, the verification code. So I'll copy it, then go back, then paste it. Then I click continue. So after that, you ask you to input, create a username. So I'll be using our name, airdrop hype. So that's the name I'll be using as username. So after I've input airdrop hype, we'll click on continue. So they will be giving us this phrase, just like a phrase key. Save your magic words. Why is it important to save your magic words? Because you'll be using it in case later in the future to access your account. So it's very important to save it. What I'll just do, I'll just screenshot mine. So I'll screenshot mine so that I can easily save mine. As you can see, I'm screenshotting mine. I've screenshotted it and I've saved it into my computer. Then you click on I've saved it, then cancel, then to take you this place, it will ask you to ask you for your sixth words. The sixth word in your magic word. So then if I open my, you can see my sixth word, crush. So I'll just know that my sixth word crush. I write it down, crush. Then I click on continue. Then you click the cancel icon, that X icon, so that it can move you to the next place. So as you can see everything, so just click that. So we just have to be patient as it loads. So now it has loaded up, and this is our Lamport ID. So this is our Lamport ID which we'll be using. So just know that every user have their own ID. So we click on start, which will take us to our dashboard. So we're redirecting us to our dashboard, then voila, we're in our dashboard. So as you can see, for just signing up, we have gotten 100 keys. So now we can perform some basic tasks and get more. We click on earnings, then earnings to get your referral. You can click on referral, you scroll down, and you can see copy your referral link. You can click on copy your referral link, share to friends and families, and make sure that they all sign up for it because you get a bonus point, a bonus keys for that. So go to socials, click on socials, so you can perform some basic stacks, get some key. So that is it. So if you click on socials, you can see it. Then you can see, first of all, they're asking us to connect our X account, connect our Telegram, and connect our Discord account. Or each of them, we have to connect it. when joining this testnet. You just have to connect to your account. You'll be getting 10 keys for each of them connecting. Then when you come down, you can see when you follow, when you like another things, you get a certain keys. Even in Telegram, when you message, you get two keys. The Discord, when you message, you get two keys. So as you're messaging in Logo's account, they'll give you two keys for it. So as you can see, it's a very good and nice airdrop. You can see from the X page where I showed you, you can go through their page and see how it's still. You can see you can connect and get keys for connecting which the airdrops. You can see their page, the X page. You can go to the X page. You can also just search on it and see what people are talking about the project. It's a very good project. You just have to hop in early, be an early adopter to this project. So all your things is just hop in early because the earlier you get into it, the more better.